Hello, it's Ryan Tierney from Lean Made Simple, and today I'm on the roof of the factory in the wind and rain because I want to shout from the rooftops about something called lean manufacturing. This changed our business by making small incremental improvements every single day. So today we're going to go inside and show you the top lean improvements for 2024.
Now I cut the belts, put them on the table and measure them and sew them here. So everything is in a nice huge cell.
Just a few minutes, you can do it really quick on your phone or on your computer, and then you can have a really good standard work.
You're improving every single day. How many do you think you've made?
Well over 500.
We do as many, if not more, lean improvements in the office than we do in the factory.
Now it comes up the line, so that's exactly where I need it.
So this is an amazing space for teaching and training, and it saves 200 steps per person per day. So now we're going to go to our woodworking department, and you'll notice straight away there is zero sawdust. Zero sawdust. It's absolutely crazy. So Paddy, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
Alright, my favourite improvement, so I'll show you in the fireside
Okay,
here.
let's go.
Right, so around here, so this is where I keep all the standard work in the wood area. So, for example, if I take a day off, then everything I put together is all in place in through here.
Yep.
So all the compartments, all the different parts of the chairs, all the backs as well. Now this is, this is how it's all put together.
So this is a physical example of exactly how to make that part.
Yeah.
So Paddy, how many improvements do you think you've made this year? We're at the end of 2024. You're improving every single day. How many do you think you've made?
Be well over 500, I would think.
500 improvements.
Yeah. Easy.
So the amount of improvements that Paddy is doing here every day is just incredible. This is just new. We've got colour-coded shelving for the overstock, which we want to get rid of. We've got the green labels for parts that have to be kitted. Moving around here, Paddy just puts all the stuff along here. It all moves along. So Paddy, I've just noticed this. What is this improvement here with the strap?
Yeah, so this is strapping out to Orlando. So this used to bug me a lot. I used to spend a lot of time getting the strap on this Orlando back. So now the way I put the strap on is, so I made like a wee box, so I can put the full thing of tiger roll through here. It just drops down in, and I have it fed up through this wee bracket, so it matters just pulling it up over onto the back, and then I can use the staple gun, then staple it all up. Have the scissors in here for cutting the straps, and then also the staples here for the staple gun. So everything's all kind of standardized, and it's much better flow as well. So I like having really the full assembly here. So it just works smarter, not harder.
Brilliant. So you might have seen this improvement on the previous video, but Paddy has actually improved it again because he never stops improving. So Paddy, what is this device here for?
Right, Ryan, so this device here was made because us 18mm plywood, we could slide it across, but once I got down to a certain height, I had to lift the plywood up onto the wheels. I'm still sewing the back.
Yep.
So this device now, once it gets below the wheels, I can lift it up. Now level with the wheels, and I can slide it across, so I'm not having to lift it up and over.
We asked Paddy for his favourite improvement for 24, and he's given us about 20. Paddy, what's all this?
So this is just the wing jig system. I used to have to kind of really jerk in, see which wing was which. So a couple of wee bits of wood here, got them all now visual, all total clarity as well. Really drew up in the CNC machine, so straight away I can see which Aussie jig is which now. So just a wee simple improvement.
So it's just walking past this, and I noticed that the 3mm plastic is colour-coded blue, the 18mm wood is colour-coded red, the green or the 12mm plywood is colour-coded green, and the 9mm plastic is colour-coded orange. So strong visual controls everywhere you look. So Ben, this is a brilliant improvement. Why is this better? What was it like before?
Beforehand, Ryan, it was a big massive ramp, really long table. The ramp, you had to wheel it the whole way up and get up. You were up as well, up very high. And then when you were bringing chairs down as well, it was also quite a safety hazard. And this way now, it is a press of a button with my foot or a button over there, so I'm nowhere near the table. Lifts it up to the height I need. I can adjust it down as well.
To be honest, I haven't even seen this before until now. So Kyle, what is this?
So this is our new Phoenix 2. This is our new Phoenix back. So the old style, you always had to do the work at the back, whereas the new Phoenix 2, you have to do the work at the front. So now we set our back on, and to get at the front, we just simply lift the plunger, turns around, and you can work at the front there without having to struggle.
Good job, Kyle. Thank you. Thanks. So we're now going to go and see if we can find Donna to see what her favourite improvement is. So Donna, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
My favourite improvement for 2024 is this new line here.
Okay.
It used to be whenever I needed the work to match up with the foam, I had to walk the whole way in there to the cutting room or into the sewing room and come back out again. But now it comes up the line, so just exactly where I need it.
So it just flows down.
Just flows down, so it saves me any bother having to run into the sewing room.
So it's absolutely incredible how many improvements we're making every single day and every single week. This is another one that we done this year. So this is the woodwork coming from our wood department just in time. We're delivering a chair every 23 minutes on perfect tack time. This is also new. This is where foam gets delivered. We've got a separate factory where we manufacture the foam, and the foam is delivered onto this line every 23 minutes. So we'll just keep walking here, and I think we'll go into the office next and see what improvements are happening in the office. So there's a misconception that lean is like a manufacturing thing, and we do as many, if not more, lean improvements in the office than we do in the factory. So let's go and see some lean office improvements. So we'll go over here to Darren. Darren, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
So the Seaton Matters customer care ChatGPT is probably the one that I use the most. I use it every day. You can ask it a number of questions about our chairs, basically anything that you want to know. For example, here, can you tell me the features of the Envelo cushion? It's able to give me all of that information, stuff that I can easily send on to the customer. And yeah, it's definitely, it reduces a lot of time me having to type out a lot of these answers. So it's a great tool.
Brilliant, thank you. So we're going to go around and see Elaine. So Elaine, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
Well, my favourite improvement is we've created this area to send out Ryan's Lean Made Simple books. So yeah, you can see here we have our one-piece flow. Not only that, we've also created crumb trails so we can easily restock all of the items that's needed to send out the books. So we take Ryan's book along with the bookmark and then we place it in the correct envelope as such. Ready for packaging, and then straight over to our postage. Apply the correct postage and it's ready to go out the door.
So literally seconds for posting out a book.
Absolutely, one step at a time, and it follows the process the whole way through.
Amazing. So we're going to go and see Alison, and this is by far the best improvement we've, I think, ever made in the office. So Alison, what is this improvement?
So it's an app called Search Everything.
Okay.
It's free on any desktop, but I have it on my Stream Deck here. So I just press a button and it pulls up like this, and I can search anything in all our drives and across all of our OneDrives. So for example, if I wanted to look up a Lean Made Simple logo, and then if I wanted just the JPEG, I just put in JPEG and it just pulls them all up.
And it literally searches your entire computer.
Yeah, so I have it set to search all of our drives, all of our OneDrives and all of my downloads, so it comes up really quickly. So another great example is one of our chairs, so for example Milano. So if I just type in Milano, so you can see there it pulls up everything, and it's really quick and easy, much faster than if you're using Windows to search, so it speeds up time, motion, and makes it easier for us to serve the customer.
I'm with Bella in the accounts department. So Bella, what is your favourite improvement for this year?
Yeah, so my favourite improvement would be this board. So we've had this board for a while now, but I have went through and updated everything using Gemba Docs and Standard Works to add QR codes on each of them. So I'm taking on a lot of new tasks, and with these tasks I am needing to follow instructions. So Annie has created a lot of these for me through Gemba Docs, and this here now, whenever I pick this here and scan this code, it will take me to a YouTube video that Annie created. And with that video, then I can go and complete this whole process without needing to ask any questions. Everything I need is right here.
So I'm with Gary in the graphic design department, and Gary is the leanest graphic designer in the world. So Gary, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
So I've made this wallpaper that has all my hex codes in it for the brand guidelines, and at the moment I have to manually input these numbers. So I've just made a Stream Deck button that I can highlight this little text box, and I've got all my colours here, so I just push this button and I can input whatever I want.
So we're going to go upstairs into our morning meeting area, and if you've been on a Lean Made Simple tour recently, you'll have seen this. But one of the best improvements I think we made this year was to create this area with a table and chairs, and this is where we teach and train our people. We do learning sessions on lean, we do learning sessions on our product, so this is an amazing space for teaching and training our people. And I'd like to show you another improvement that we made this year as well. So we set up this kitchen for lean tour guests So we've got everything dialed in here exactly where we need it. We've got our cups labelled, we've got a place for the glasses, they're all cut out. So every single glass has a place, every plate has a place. We've got a place for the sugar, for the tea bags, for the spoons. The bin's got a label, the dishwasher's got a label. We've even got a Gemba doc in here for exactly how to operate the dishwasher. Every single thing has a place and we absolutely love this improvement. We've even improved the coffee machine. So we've got a brush in here for cleaning the coffee machine. We've got the spray here if we need to clean it. We've got a crumb trail, so restocked from cups cupboard on the top shelf. So if we open that up, that's exactly where the coffee beans stay. Every single thing has a place because we believe work should be easy and work should flow.
My favourite improvement of 2024 is this defect sign. So this is a very visual representation to everyone in the company in the morning meeting to show how many days it's been since a customer has got a defective product. So this gives recognition to all the people in the company. The small improvements we make every day was working towards increasing this number of days without defects.
So this is by far one of my favourite improvements that we've done this year. We actually built our own podcast studio. This room is soundproofed, it's got all the latest equipment, and we can just have a podcast, you know, in a split second. It's all set up, the cameras are in place, the lighting's in place. We can literally sit down and start recording a podcast within 5 minutes. It's really incredible. And another thing that I really like is the fact that these signs are magnetic. So the Gemba Docs podcast is also recorded here, so we can just change the sign in a few seconds, change up the lighting, and have a totally different podcast within seconds. So we're going to go and see Darren to see what his favourite improvement for 2024 is. Darren?
Yeah. So this is my favourite improvement for 2024. This is a Mira board. So before we had design changes, things like that there, nobody knew where they were in the factory. They're either in my head, they're in a bit of paper on the computer somewhere. Nobody had a clue where they were. But see this board here? This is total visual control. We know exactly what step it's going through the factory. So you can see here, this improvement design change is currently orange. That means design is currently working on it. Red hasn't been started. Black it doesn't need anything done. As you can see here, the wee colour charts just here. And when everything's green, this can get removed off the board and added to the database.
It's almost Billy in design. So Billy, what is your favourite improvement for 2024?
Well, I actually like the boards here that we have,
okay,
that we've created. So this here would be, so for example, Austin's board. All the tasks that Austin has, we put them all on here. And then if we come over to Austin's actual desk, we've mounted these plates here onto the back of the screen.
Ah, yes.
And we can have basically 3 improvements that we're working on. And we prioritise them in terms of what we're doing. But once we tick these off, we actually put them on this board here, which is our completed board. And it gives you just visual control of where we're at. So you can come in and obviously find out where we're at and you don't have to ask.
Yep.
That's brilliant.
So it's really, really visual.
It's visual.
So blue is blue, yellow goes to yellow, and so on.
Green to green. And it just makes such a difference.
So Lean Made Simple as a brand is getting bigger and bigger every week, every month, as we get more followers on YouTube and more subscribers, more people coming on tours. So we've got a full-time person now managing all the day-to-day stuff for Lean Made Simple. So Alex, I want to ask you, what's your favourite improvement for 2024?
My favourite improvement so far has been this board here, because it's perfectly visual, means I can keep up to date with all my tasks from daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and even quarterly when it comes to that part. So I have all these little flashcards here. So for example, for daily tasks, I have all emails up to 5 p.m. action. So when that's done in a day, I just flip it around to here green.
Yes.
And then I have my other tasks. So we have a little tour email we send out after our tours. So make sure that's all done. That's the green when that's done. And also for connecting people on LinkedIn afterwards, same applies here. And so once these are all green, that means I'm up to date with all my tasks.
So I'm with Kira. So Kira, what is your favourite improvement for 2024?
So my favourite improvement for 2024 is the introduction of our Gemba Docs app, which we use for creating all our standard work. So we've got examples like this. So if I'm not here, anybody can come and set up the morning meeting. Yep. And we have about 600 of them now altogether.
And how long does it take to create a Gemba dock, for example?
Just a few minutes. You can do it really quick on your phone or on your computer, and literally 5 minutes and you could have a really good standard working place.
Yeah, and we didn't have Gemba docks last year. This is really new for us.
Yeah, and it's been brilliant. It's been a game changer.
Beverly, what's your favourite improvement for 24?
My favourite improvement, Ryan, for 24 is this improvement here that I've done at the belt area. Before, all these machines were spaced out in a row, which I was wasting a lot of time walking up and down. But now I cut the belts, put them on the table and measure them and sew them here. So everything is in a nice U-cell shaped area, cutting down a lot of wasted time and motion.
Okay, so we're going to go and find Danitza because Danitza always has amazing improvements. So Danitza, what's your favourite improvement for 24?
So Ryan, my favourite improvement will be over in QC. So my favourite improvement this year is this jig here. It's a template. Our templates before used to just lie on below the table there.
Yep.
So whenever I asked Paul for an improvement to help me with an idea, he came up with our shelves. It's brilliant. It's exactly where I needed to put the labels on the chairs, you see. So I thought it was a brilliant idea. It takes them off the table as well and gives them a place.
Nice and organised.
Oh, definitely is. Everything's exactly where I need it.
So what's Chris? Chris, what's your favourite improvement for 24?
My favourite improvement for 24 is has to be the button machine. Before we had this old one and we worked it manually, and now this one is just worked with the air, and it's just a matter of hitting the button and with your foot, and it does the work for you.
My favourite improvement this year is very, very simple, but you can see now in the winter nights that the welding bays can get pretty dark. So what I've done is just add on a wee switch here and the light up above us, and it lights it all up, and it means then in the summertime or when we don't need it during the day, we can just flick it off rather than having it on all the time.
Arturos, what is your favourite improvement for this year?
This year probably new toolbox, you know.
Yeah.
Before we have an tool set and toolbox, you need the open every shelf, you know, and it's not visible. Now we put brand new trolley, now everything visible, you know, you more quick change tools, you know.
And you can see all the tools, very visual.
See all tools, yeah.
Yeah. Arturos, you looking forward to Christmas?
Oh yes, I'm ready for Santa. I'm working this year. I should be busy, flat out.
So Jeffrey, loads and loads of improvements this year. Have you enjoyed this year?
Oh, this year by far for me is the best. There's a lot of improvements that have actually made our jobs easier.
I want to end the video by showing you the biggest improvement we've done this year. We've totally redesigned this entire area. This is now our cutting area, but it moves through here, and we've built this brand new sewing room. So the sewing room used to be like 20 steps away every single time we were manufacturing a product, but now the cut parts go on here. It slides down in this conveyor and in through this slot in the wall. So we've cut out the slot in the wall, the material flows through, and it saves 200 steps per person per day. So this is one of the biggest and best improvements we've probably ever made. It's this carousel in the middle of the sewing room. So the material comes through the slot in the wall, down this conveyor, and every person spins the carousel around. So Harriet's just going to show you. Harriet lifts the part out of the box, sews it, and then if Tracy needs a part out of that box, Tracy just spins it around, gets her part out, and nobody has to walk around looking for their material. So all the boxes are colour coded, so yellow, green, blue, red, so everybody knows what box they're working on going by the colour. And then once the chair is finished, Tracy will show now how it goes up. So you just manually move it up the ramp, around the corner. It's really, really easy. And it's on to the next station. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to find out more about Lean, subscribe to the Lean Made Simple YouTube channel, and we can't wait until 2025 to make even more Lean improvements.